I chose the theme Music of Glasses. I wanted to understand what is the cause of the sound waves in the glasses. We can get started. In order to perform musical works, it isn't necessary to take special musical instruments. For example, you can play on spoons and on glasses. First, let's analyze what sound is. Sound is elastic waves, what propagates in an elastic medium. Waves create vibrations in this medium, what are often invisible to our eyes. The vibration of things is the cause of sound. Now we will certainly move on to the sounds of singing glasses. Sounds can be obtained in different ways. In the experiment, we will consider two of the simplest methods of obtaining sounds using glasses. The first way to produce sounds is through the occurrence of a friction force. You take an ordinary glass of water and run your finger along the rim, but the finger must be clean and dead, otherwise you won't record the sound. The sound is caused by the friction force between the finger and the edge of the glass. The friction force of a wet finger depends on the spin of the finger sliding along the edge of the glass. The glass doesn't begin to sound immediately, but only after 2 full turns of the finger on the rim of the glass. The second method of obtaining sounds from glasses is light blows on the inside of the glass. Then a spoon hits the wall of the glass, we hear a ringing sound. This sound is created when the vibrations of the glass affect the air inside the glass. We take 3 glasses, one with clean water, the second glass with clean water and salt which we are adding right now, and the third glass with solution of salt and water we have already made. The glasses are equally filled with different liquids. First, we beat with a spoon on the inside of the glass with clean water. We get a ringing high-pitched sound. We will take it as the original one. When we hit the walls of the glass of water with a spoon, to which we have just added salt, and it hasn't had time to dissolve in water yet. The sound was recorded. There is a big difference between the original sound and the sound we hear now. The tone of the sound turned out to be lower than the original one, because the salt contains air. Now we hit the inside of the glass with a spoon in which a solution of salt and water is poured. The sound is very similar to the original one, because the salt has already completely dissolved in the water. Thus, we have analyzed 2 methods of producing sounds with the help of the glasses. Of course, the sounds depend on the shape of the glasses, on their material and on the amount of liquid. But there can these singing glasses be used at all? In European streets it is very often possible to observe how glasses with water are displayed on a small table in a certain order, and a musician touching the rims of the glasses with his fingers extracts unusual sounds. Summing up, I want to say what with the help of glasses you can play whole melodies and arrange whole concerts. It's certainly difficult but very original.